was time to move on with our trip. So we were heading over to Arkansas. So when we were leaving Tennessee, we were driving up some hilly road and we're speeding up, and my dad noticed in his rearview mirror this car chasing us. It was this little car and it had a little spinning light on the top. It's beeping the horn. It was sort of like a horn you hear in one of those rides at the fair or something, those little kid cars. And this car chases up. My dad's like, what the hell is that? Is that their policeman? And I guess they're after us. They want us to stop. So my dad said, hey, I don't think that car can keep up with us. So he started hitting the gas on the truck and going faster and faster away. He left the guy in the dust. Anyway, so we left Tennessee and we're heading over here to Arkansas, and we stopped in Hot Springs, Arkansas. It's a place where just naturally out of the earth, this water comes up in these hot springs, and it's over 100 degrees, and people go there and take baths. It's supposed to be very therapeutic. So we stopped over there. Let's take a look at Hot Springs, Arkansas.